Welcome back, JDM fam. We are here with my Boost Blue Type R. You can see it right there. And that is because we have a new amazing mod that I wanted to show you guys, and I am super excited about this. So going to show you guys right now, but really quick, check out the Type R. This is my 2021 Boost Blue FK8. Has lots of carbon mods on it, lots of little carbon pieces which are amazing, like these carbon canards, which look great, carbon mirror caps, and carbon gurney flap. Check it out. Oh, how beautiful is that thing? So I got this piece right here from my wife last Christmas. I actually got the mod that we're talking about today from my wife for Christmas as well. Really excited about it, guys, because it is amazing. So I'm sure you probably already know what I'm talking about. You probably already saw the thumbnail, but it is gonna go right here, guys. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so I have the hatch open. Let's check it out, guys. Obviously, I've already looked at this thing. I had to, but for you guys and for storage purposes, I did put it back in the box to protect it until I do install it. So check it out. I actually don't even want to mess with this thing. It's got some hair on it. I actually don't even want to mess with it. I feel like I'm gonna drop it, but check it out. Perfect lighting for checking out a carbon piece. Yeah, so this is going to be a new mod that we're going to install on my hood very soon, probably in the next day or two. So you'll probably see it in a few days after I edit the video, but as you guys can see, it just looks so good. You can see my reflection perfect in there. It looks so good. So that's what it looks like. This is a replacement hood scoop, so we are going to be pulling off the original hood scoop and installing this one. I did want to get the scoop that was a little higher, a little taller, but also I was kind of worried about having more water get into my engine bay, so I'm not sure how that works or if it would even do that, but I was kind of wanting to go more of the stock approach. So this is supposed to be the OEM style hood scoop, so it should be basically a replica, just carbon fiber. I did forget to mention that I do have carbon fender vents as well. Check those out. Wow, how amazing are those? Okay, so just as a little kind of test fit, this isn't a real test fit, but that's what it's going to look like, guys. Oh, I can feel the heat coming out of the scoop. I've never noticed that before. So that is basically what it's going to look like. Obviously, we will do a way better test fit when we install it. It's time to install this, so let's go. Okay, so the hood is up. The beautiful K20C1 is in view. Love this engine, guys. Amazing. What an amazing engine. So what we're going to do is pop these two nuts off right here, these clips afterwards, after we do all of them, and these three back here. Easiest to get to. Now, I'm pretty sure all there are these clips right here. I'm really curious to see what this looks like without a hood scoop. And also, I didn't mention this before, but I'm thinking that there's probably a gasket or some sort of seal on here. So I am going to try to take that off and put it onto the new scoop. So let's pop these clips, see if this pops off. Oh, there's one. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. It's out. There's a gasket on the outside of the stock scoop right here. It looks like it might be glued on. Now, I don't know how this is actually on this scoop, or if there's like a lip on here that it goes onto that the other one does not have. Because if you look here, you can kind of see that there's like two layers right there. There's like two lips. There's a lip right here and a lip right here, I think. So this one does not have that. So I'm going to try to remove this gasket without tearing it or damaging it and replace it onto this one. I don't know if that's gonna work, but I'll let you guys know after I try, and I'll let you know if this stock gasket will work on an aftermarket scoop. I got the gasket off of the stock scoop. You could see that it was double-sided taped on, and I looked at the hood, and then I started thinking, yes, the gasket was sealed across all of the sides. You could see that there's a little bit of gasket on the sides right there, but it wasn't doing anything. It does not stop water from getting into the hood through some of these cracks and coming down the hood to the radiator cover. So I'm thinking that this gasket is not to seal water out of the hood, or at least maybe to seal some of the water out, but I think maybe this gasket is mostly for sound, so this hood scoop does not rattle on the hood. Now, this new hood scoop did not come with a gasket, and I don't like to replace parts totally different from the stock, how the stock part was installed, and this one did have a gasket on it. So I am going to double-side tape the gasket onto this one just to be sure that it does not rattle, and it will hopefully stop most of the water getting into my hood as well. Obviously, this hood scoop does not stop water from actually getting into the hood. It just comes straight through here, and it goes all down right here anyway. So we're going to do a test fit after I put the gasket on, so let's check it out once it's installed. Alright guys, we are done. I will follow up this video with another video showing you guys what it looks like outside in the sun, but I am so happy with it. It looks amazing. Like, I can't even express how happy I am with this mod, and with the carbon canards, the hood scoop, the mirrors, the fender vents. I forgot that I also have the gurney flap on my wing as well. Carbon gurney flap, compliments of my wife. Gotta thank her for these parts because she gives the best Christmas presents, and it looks really good. So with all of these carbon parts, they just complement each other and look so good together, guys. I am just so happy with it. Check it out, guys. I actually forgot to hold both of these in each hand and see if one feels a little heavier than the other. This one did feel slightly lighter when I held this one and then the other one, but that could just be in my head. So it does fit really well, guys. This is the fitment. I will link this product in the description if you guys want to purchase this. Check it out.